What's up guys, Dave here in the 2017 Dodge Durango RT, but this might apply to many different makes and models. When you try to use the remote start and the car does not start, it just sort of clicks, kind of sounding like a dead battery. But if you get in the car and start it normally, it cranks fine, but maybe a little sluggishly. It unfortunately means your car's battery is probably dying or low charged and needs to be replaced. I just had that issue with this vehicle and had the original battery in it from 2017, and here we are in 2022. So it lasted the typical amount of time, you know, between 5 to 6 years as usual if you drive your car regularly. I did another video on how to replace the battery in this vehicle, so you may want to see the link down below, and you'll see a thumbnail link at the end of this video to show you how to do that. But yeah, if you were just having that issue with a click only when you hit the remote start, that's probably what's going on. Anyway, that's it. Check out other videos. We'll have thumbnail links at the end of this one, as well as all kinds of links in the description of this one that send you in other places that, you know, we have videos that may help you, as well as our eBay store, Amazon store, YouTube. We got 2 YouTube channels and Facebook page, so check it all out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you all later.